Ever scrolled through Neon, enjoying that slick interface and those crisp 4K movies, and then BAM? An ad interrupts your cinematic bliss? You're not alone. We've all been there. But why? Why does a streaming service that prides itself on quality and innovation still show ads? Neon, with its curated library of indie, foreign, and art house films, offers a unique viewing experience. It's a haven for cinephiles, a platform that champions artistic expression. So, the presence of ads might seem jarring, even antithetical to the platform's ethos. But the reality is a bit more nuanced. Funding the platform. First and foremost, let's be honest, streaming services cost money. Running and maintaining a platform like Neon requires significant investment. Servers, bandwidth, licensing fees for those incredible films, it all adds up. Ads are a crucial revenue stream that helps cover these costs. Think of it as a way to support the platform and ensure its continued existence. Supporting filmmakers. And here's where things get interesting. Neon isn't just about showcasing films, it's about supporting the filmmakers behind them. Many of the films on Neon are independent productions, often made with smaller budgets. Ads can help generate revenue that goes back to the filmmakers, allowing them to continue creating the unique and thought-provoking stories that define Neon. A more affordable option. Let's face it, subscription fatigue is real. We're all juggling multiple streaming services, each with its own monthly fee. Neon, with its ad-supported tier, offers a more affordable way to access its curated content. It makes independent cinema more accessible to a wider audience, which can only be a good thing for the industry as a whole. Now, I hear you. The ads can be disruptive, and nobody likes interruptions. But Neon is constantly working on improving the ad experience. They're exploring shorter ad breaks, more relevant ad placements, and even interactive ad formats that are less intrusive. And let's not forget the alternative. Without ads, the subscription cost would likely increase significantly, potentially pricing out many viewers. So, while ads aren't ideal, they play a vital role in making Neon a sustainable and accessible platform. The presence of ads on Neon is a complex issue with no easy answers. It's a balancing act between funding the platform, supporting filmmakers, and providing an affordable viewing experience. While the ads might not be perfect, they are a necessary part of the equation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.